Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. I'm pretty excited today. Out here doing a little bit of watering. It's getting really hot now. We're on the 2nd of June now. I think it's June 2nd. So it's getting really hot. Even morning is like low 20s and going into upper 20s by like noon. So it's really warm, very sunny. Just doing a little bit of watering. The strawberry patch you see here still needs to be weeded a little bit more, but it was actually quite overrun. I weeded this last week and it's looking much better now. But I'm really excited to report that it's doing great. There's lots of little strawberries on there. They're just starting to ripen now. There's a couple of them that are like almost ready. I think probably by like another day or two they will probably be, you know, ripe, and the other ones are not soon, you know, not far back. So I've planted a little rosemary out here in the corner yesterday, and hopefully that'll start getting big this summer. I did that from a cutting from my mother's rosemary from her garden. I did a video about that a while back about how to root them. It's really easy, but check out that video if you want to do it for yourself. But basically just take a cutting, put it in water. Once you see the roots going, you can just plant it out. This one has been growing in a pot for at least a couple weeks now. I think maybe 2 months, maybe a month and a half, I don't remember. So it's doing pretty good, and just gave it a little bit of water this morning. Help it with any kind of transplant shock it may have had. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys these strawberries. These are the tastiest strawberries we have here at the property. We got some other type that are just not as good, but these are the ones that we grew from seed. Check out my video on that if you haven't seen it. It's really awesome. Like, you can grow your own strawberry plants for free from just some strawberries that you have like from the store. That's what I did. And these are actually a delicious, really, really sweet strawberry. So this is the one that's pretty much almost ripe now. You can see it here. Just a tiny bit of white there at the bottom. I might even still eat this one because I don't think I'm going to be coming back tomorrow to work on the house, and may not get back for another couple days, so this will probably be too ripe by then. I might just have to take that little guy, and there's another one that's kind of ripening up over there. So yeah, they're looking really good, and these are really, really delicious. You can see there's going to be lots of fruit on a lot of the other ones. There's, you know, developing fruits all over the place. But yeah, it's really exciting. These are really, really wonderful strawberry plants, and to think that, you know, we just grew all these from seeds for free. It's a little bit of effort, and really I just need to stay on top of the weeding a little bit better. I think they would do a lot better, but yeah, I'll probably remulch this with some sawdust pretty soon. I might have a little bit of mulch coming up. I had to do a bit of pruning on some bushes, so I might use that here. But yeah, I think they're looking really good. I'm really excited. Just wanted to share that with you guys, do a short video. Hope everybody's good, hope everybody's gardening. It's never too late to start with something now. There's a lot of work that we've done, but it's like a continuous process, and I'm really excited about it. We've actually planted some apple trees here. We've got a couple apple trees here now that are new for us. We just planted those this spring. Like I say, I'm getting some rosemary here. We got some lavender on the other side of the apple trees. Got some raspberries growing there as well. So yeah, work is progressing. It's slow and steady. I was thinking the other day just how nature, you know, kind of moves on its own timeline. We want to rush things. We want things to be, you know, super fast, and you know, we don't want to wait for it. We want everything now. We want everything yesterday, as they say. And it's just hard to really, I don't know, be patient and work with nature and work with nature's timelines. And I think it just takes time. You know, this soil's improved so much. I was really surprised when I was planting the rosemary out here in the corner, how much the soil has improved underneath the mulch here. And when I went down farther, you know, I got back to that sandy soil that we have here. It was just kind of shocking to see the difference. And you know, I've shown it to you guys in videos too, so check those out if you haven't seen it. But yeah, it's just you know, things are going to improve over time. You're going to give it a couple years and be patient. So that's it for today. Hope everybody enjoyed the video, and see you in another one soon. Bye.